बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी डॉन संडे जनवरी 26, 2025 के अखबार में। मार्केटिंग की जॉब है। फीमेल स्टाफ इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर टेली मार्केटिंग / सेल्स। ऑफिस टाइमिंग 10 to 6 at DHA Phase 1। Girls must be confident and fluent in English, Urdu both, intermediate or graduate. Salary 30K to 35K plus commission. Send your resume faisal229656@gmail.com 229656@gmail.com। Towel export manufacturer located in Korangi industrial area required 1 merchandiser. Salary package 60K to 70K. Experience 4 to 5 years experience required. Preferred lives in Korangi / Landhi. Please submit your resume at email ID hr@towelkorangi@gmail.com. We are seeking for a skilled and experienced assistant merchandiser with 3 to 4 years of expertise in the leather garments industry. The ideal candidate should have a strong analytical mindset, proficiency in Microsoft Excel, Word and Outlook, and should have a passion for ensuring the smooth execution of merchandising operations. Interested candidate should send their resume at getjob398@gmail.com. getjob398@gmail.com. We are seeking for an experienced merchandiser with 3 to 4 years of expertise in leather garments. The candidate should have a strong knowledge of leather garment production and excellent communication skills. Interested candidate should send their resume at getgpb398@gmail.com. मेडिकल की जॉब है। A well-renowned herbal clinic and herbal store. Hiring staff mentioned below. 01 Sales girl female intermediate. 2 GRO female intermediate. 3 telesales female intermediate. Residency of nearby Dolmen Mall, Clifton, Karachi. Interested candidates kindly send their resume to WhatsApp 0312 064 553 0312 064 553. Email greenroots.pk@gmail.com greenroots.pk@gmail.com. Application required for coordinator BSc nursing full time, having at least 3 years hospital experience. Research assistant graduate having at least 2 years experience in a reputable hospital. Note: last date for submission of application is January 31st, 2025. Kharadar General Hospital is a tertiary care postgraduate training center recognized by CPSP, PMDC and PNC. Please forward CV to HR department at Kharadar General Hospital, Aga Khan Road, Kharadar. Phone number 325-10113 325-10113 2116 extension 173. Email kgh.hospital@gmail.com kgh.hospital@gmail.com. Accountex Corporation, Karachi. We are looking for a dedicated dental treatment planner. Key responsibilities: collaborate with clinical staff to present detailed treatment plans to patients, assist patients with scheduling treatment and understanding financial operations, understand the practices policy on working with dental benefit plans, dental benefits कहाँ चला गया, and be prepared to educate patients on their dental benefits, maintain accurate records and ensure seamless patient experience. What we are looking for is strong verbal and written communication skills, knowledge of dental insurance plans and procedures, Knowledge of Dentrix is a plus. Willing to train if you're ready to take the next step in your dental career. We'd love to hear from you. cst@accountex.com 0313 223 7364 0313 223 7364. Lady doctor for alternate 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. house job and PG trained in Gynae jobs preferred. Competitive pay for Ahsan Kamal Hospital 130E near Ambala Bakery Block 6 PECHS Market. Contact 0213431457 0213431457. Dr. Muniza 0300 2364321 0300 2364321. Dr. Tausif Amin's medical course for USMLE, HAAD, DHA, MOH, MCCEE, AMC, FCPS, MRCP 032282711518 032282711518. Postgraduate Residency Program January 2025. Kharadar General Hospital, Karachi is a tertiary care postgraduate training center recognized by PMDC, PNC and CPSP. Applications are invited for following positions: FCPS Residency Program, MBBS plus must be. FCPS 1 past MCPS Residency Program, MBBS OBS/Gynae. Pediatrics application forms may be obtained from HR department between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Last date of January 28th, 2025. Email kgh.hospital@gmail.com and web kgh.org.pk. Required psychologist doctor, not be more than 45 years old. Contact Sayyid Salahuddin Akhtar, Director 0311 1774416 0311 1774416. सेल्स की जॉब है. वी हाशिम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स PVT LTD, authorized stockiest of Pakistan cables. Required sales manager for dealer/retailer market, having minimum 5 years of experience. Both male and female can apply. Share your resume at waqas.a@hashimdistributor.com. Sales coordinator indoor, male/female, handle walk-in/online customers, having basic MS Office and sound knowledge of social media. Marketing Tawheed Commercial DHA 5 near Ideal Bakery. CV 0321822570 0321822570. टीचर्स की जॉब्स हैं. A female principal is required for the Kent City School with at least 5 years of experience. Location Zaman Town, Korangi number 4. Send your CV via WhatsApp to 0316112030 0316112030. Required English teacher for school in Khokrapar, having minimum experience 5 to 10 years. Contact 031511828891 031511828891. Teachers are urgently required in Escosset Secondary School PNT Society. Send your resume escossethr@gmail.com. WhatsApp number 0334 268 6026 0334 268 6026. The educators advanced campus requires female teachers for science, biology, chemistry, physics, maths, computer, English and Urdu. Also required pre-primary teacher. Bring CV at the educator, Safai Am Advanced Campus, opposite Rafai Am Park, Malir Halt. Contact 0335 1039219 0335 1039219. Email educators.rasii seniorwing@yahoo.com. Rasi_seniorwing@yahoo.com. द गार्जियंस कैम्ब्रिज एजुकेशन सिस्टम रिक्वायर्स फीमेल कंप्यूटर टीचर्स फॉर सेकेंडरी क्लासेस. Walk in interview from 9 a.m. to 12 at B for box 75 block 1. Gulistane Johar 02134018420 02134018420/34018421 34018421 WhatsApp 0300 2272329 0300 2272329 cv@guardians.edu.pk. Urgently required female teachers for chemistry and biology for 9 selection. Apply with CV to the principal. Must be fluent in English. Genius Academy D for Doctor 29 Block 8 Chaudhry Khaliquzzaman Road Clifton Karachi. Genius Academy -ss2002 03332154580. Only nearby can apply. 03332154580 only nearby can apply. अच्छा, ये वाली जो जॉब है वो जंग में आई थी. रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 26 जनवरी 2025 के अखबार में. फ़ज़ाइया रुतफ़ा मेडिकल कॉलेज PAF बेस फैसल कराची. सिचुएशन वैकेंट. जनरल मैनेजर फाइनेंस. क्वालिफिकेशन ACCA/CA फाइनलिस्ट/MCOM MBA फाइनेंस और इक्विवेलेंट रेलिवेंट क्वालिफिकेशन. एक्सपीरियंस एंड competencies 5 to 10 years relevant experience in reputed organization, preferably in education/healthcare institutions. Responsibilities: it should have strong financial management abilities of public and private sectors organization. ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा. strong track record of leadership and stakeholder management together with a commitment to results oriented collaborative and evidence based ways of working. Application with detailed CV/resume should reach through email careers@frpmc.edu.pk careers@frpmc.edu.pk और courier@HR department. फ़ज़ाइया रुतफ़ा मेडिकल कॉलेज PAF बेस फैसल मेन शाहराई फैसल कराची 74350 by Thursday 06th February 2025 by Thursday 06th February 2025. टेलीफोन नंबर 02134604701 02134604701. तो जी, ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.